Hello, this is Nick from Barbecues Galore down in Irvine, and today I'd like to talk to you about two very neat and versatile accessories that we have at our store, and you can use with almost any grill. First would be our rotisserie here. It's very, very versatile. As you can see, we are doing a chicken on it today. It's not the only thing that you can do. You can do anything from prime rib to pork loins to tri-tip to small items if you like. Over there off to the left, we have a rotisserie basket. That would take the place of your forks. You can do, say, drumsticks, meatballs, anything small you really want to do on a rotisserie, nice, low, and slow. My second favorite thing on a grill would have to be the smoke box if you're going to be using a gas grill, because nothing beats that flavor of real wood. Now, Twin Eagles here that we're cooking on offers a smoke box with their grill. If you do not have a brand that offers a smoke box, here down at Barbecues Galore, we do have our own smoke box that you can buy and set directly on top of the grid of the barbecue that you have. We chose to do apple chips in ours. It's a very versatile flavor to it. It's not overly heavy, but it's not too light, so it adds a nice flavor to the chicken. Hello guys, now that we are back, we're going to temp this off, check to make sure it is safe for human consumption, and we are temping right about 170, so it is very safe to eat. We've been letting this go at about 225 for about 2.5 hours. During that time period, we've been using our basting brush, which is another very great accessory to dip it in the drippings pan and brush it across the meat as it's been cooking. This adds more flavor, more juice, and makes the bird more tender. So now that it's finished cooking, we are going to enjoy a very nice meal that we've cooked on the rotisserie with added flavor from the smoke box, all brought to you by Barbecues Galore.